Hey everybody, Martika here with another pattern haul. So I hope everyone is doing well. I have quite a few patterns to show you, not too many, but more than I usually do nowadays. So sit back, relax, and get ready to enjoy. So let's get started, and be sure to have your pencil and paper to jot down any of these that I show you that you might be interested in, and you want to hit up Joann's for the next sale because this sale is over, but as you know, they always have a new one coming up. So we're going to start with McCalls 8259, and it is this really cute skirt right there. Oh my goodness, you guys, I had saw this when the spring collection came out. Okay, I saw this, but I said, you know what, I already have so many skirt patterns, I just don't need another one. Well, after Shutoka, and if you have not been on her channel, you need to go and check her out. After she made View A, not just one but two of them, you guys, they were so cute. I said the next time McCalls have a sale, I am going to get that pattern. So I did get it, as you can see. So yeah, I do plan to make View A also because they were just darling. I like this length too, but it was just something about that shorter version that just gave it such a flair. So go and check her out if you have not seen her channel, so that you can see what I'm talking about when she made the skirt. Now, the next one, I only picked this up because I saw someone make this dress and they looked so amazing in it. I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead, step out of my box, and I'm gonna pick up this pattern because yes, I purposely passed it by, and for good reason. But it is McCall's 8253. And it is this pattern right here. You guys, usually I don't do anything open right here, but what I love about this is that the gathering here, or the, I forget what it's called, I really do. It is basically adjustable. You adjust it to your comfort zone. So when I saw Brittany J. Jones make this dress, you guys, it was so adorable, and her opening was no more than this one right here, and it looked absolutely amazing on her. She used this beautiful tie-dye fabric. You can go and check that out on her Instagram page. That is where I saw that she put it, and it was just fabulous. And I was like, you know what, with the right type of knit, well, not knit, this, yeah, it does call for knit. With the right type of knit, I could make this dress so adorable this summer. So yeah, that is one that I am really going to step outside the box in and give it a try. Okay, I'm getting out of my little comfort zone here. So the next one that I picked up was because I saw another YouTuber make it a while back. She made a birthday dress, and it is Talisha from Creativity by T. And if you did not see that, it was a few months ago during her birthday. Just go and scroll through and find that. I'm going to go and find the links to Shutoka's and Talisha's videos, and I'm gonna link them in the description box. That way you guys don't even have to look for them. Okay, so it is McCall's 8089, and you guys, she made this dress, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was View B. I could be wrong, but I think it was either it could have been View A. I don't remember, but I will link the video. However, this dress was fabulous with the right fabric. She had very colorful fabric, and it was just so cute, so flirty, so fun, so birthday-ish, if that's a word. It was very darling. So I said, you know what, that is a dress that I could definitely do for some special occasions, some happy occasions. So I went on ahead and I grabbed this pattern myself. Now, that was all of my inspiration patterns, okay? Sometimes I will pick up patterns because of inspiration, because I have seen them on other people and I may have passed it up before for whatever reason. Now, the next one that I got was M7947. And I have seen this pattern before, you guys, but at the time, it just wasn't, something that I was feeling. Now with this summer heat that's hitting where I am, I'm totally feeling this, okay? And I'm actually feeling that one right there that she's wearing, or even this one right here with the no sleeves, okay? But this is just really cute, a little button down shirt that has, your gathering at the top. And I'm not sure if, let me see what notions are needed. Yes, that is elastic. So you have your elastic business going up here. The instructions will tell you what to do, when to do, how to do it. And I think that would be a really cute little number. It looks like it's really cute, made out of maybe a cotton or a linen, but the fabric that it actually calls for, yeah, it is linen, lawn, or polished cotton doby. So right on the money there. Be something very cute, very cool for this summer. Now, the next one that I picked up is McCall 7892. And this is a very cute dress, and I have seen it. I passed by it several times over the years, but I actually grabbed it this time for View B. I really like that blouse, and I personally have been looking for more things to put with like my jeans and my jean shorts and things like that, things that I could look dressy but casual in because of the field that I am in. I'm an esthetician, but I specialize in lash artistry. So, that's really like a girly time, and I don't like to look run down when I go into my studio. So I think that is a really cute top that would be really cute with like some shorts and some sandals or something like that. And yeah, really comfortable too. But really, to be honest with you, all of these views are really, really cute. And I won't be surprised if I end up making them all when I get to it. So that's that. This next one is kind of a given when it comes to me, and it is M7967. You guys know how I love my cute little knit dresses, okay? And when I saw that, I was really surprised that I didn't have it. I said, why have I never just picked this one up? But I didn't, but now I did. So I have it now, and I am actually looking at all of these views, you guys. All of these views are really, really cute. Every last one of them, especially view C right now for the summer. If you want something longer but cool at the same time, I have a ton of knits that I need to get to sewing up, okay? And yes, I meant to say it like that. I have so much knit, you guys. So this is gonna be one of those patterns that I'm gonna be able to sew up a lot of this knit with and be able to wear it and enjoy it this summer. I have a feeling that pattern's getting ready to get used up really, really good. Now, this next one, again, I thought of something to wear with some jeans, and it is McCall's 8201, and it is this top right here, View C. This is like the longer version with maybe a quarter, well, I wouldn't say a quarter length sleeves, a 3/4 length sleeves, but they're a little longer than what she has on. But actually, I would take those sleeves and put it with this length, or basically lengthen it. Basically probably right around there to where I don't have such a cropped look like she do, because I don't have that tummy no more, okay? But I can bring it on down to my comfort zone. And I just thought that this was a really cute, not only cute, but really quick and probably really easy pattern to look for. It says that it's average, so, we'll see what's average about it. I'm looking at the drawings. It's just basically a lot of gathering going on, around the neckline and shoulder area. That's what I can see. Maybe a little bit in the sleeves if you make View C. But other than that, I think it's going to be pretty good. Now, I have a couple more to show you, and they are from New Look. Now, this first one, N6654. You guys, I have this pattern. I have the pattern. I have the envelope. However, I have no clue where the instructions are. I don't. I'm beginning to think that the pattern that I have did not come with instructions in it. Somehow the instructions were missing. I have torn my sewing station up trying to look for the pattern instructions. They are nowhere to be found. I know I didn't throw them away. So I'm thinking that I probably missed checking or something, which is a good tip for you right now. Check your pattern envelopes before you buy them to pay for them, and make sure that the instructions and the pattern is inside. Okay, so I love this pattern. I love this button down dress. Mimi G actually made this dress a little while back, and it is just gorgeous, you guys. Really cute. It's one you could wear really throughout the spring, throughout the summer, and very, very kind of free flowing in the back. It's not like belted or gathered in the back. Your belt is basically from the front, so your back is very, very loose. So yeah, I thought that this was a really cute pattern, and I've had it a while, but just didn't have the instructions to make it, and was going to make it a couple of times. So I just went on ahead and bought it. I could have exchanged it, but I have no clue where the receipt is. I went to the store, forgot the pattern, said, forget it. I will just rebuy it. Therefore, I have an extra pattern, okay? And the last one, but not least, that I bought is New Look 6446. And you guys, I thought that this little jumpsuit was so cute. It just caught my eye. It's so, so cute. It seems like one that's really simple. I love the straps to it because it will make it very easy for me to wear my bra with it, just a regular one. Don't have to worry about, you know, a strapless or anything like that. You can even make a little romper out of it. I love, love, love that, and I will most likely be doing that too. And you can even make a dress out of this. You know, the long or the short. I just love this whole entire package here. So I think that is something very, very cute, something that I am definitely going to be getting into with my wedge heels, my wedge shoes on, with that jumpsuit, wearing it to different occasions and things like that, wearing it to my studio. So I just think that that is darling. Okay. So that again is New Look 6446. I'll say it again, because if you've missed this pattern, then you don't want to miss it again. So that is it. New Look patterns were not on sale this weekend, but that's okay. At Joann's, they always run $3.99, and I did find out that they do go on sale sometimes with simplicity patterns. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for those, but those two I just couldn't leave at the store. So yeah, you guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have not given this video a thumbs up already, please do so. If you're new here, thank you for watching. If you're back, thank you for watching again. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and definitely turn on your notifications so that you do not miss one video. And I will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.